here in northern Kentucky and right across the river from Cincinnati. We are under a tornado warning. The sirens are sounding. Some wicked lightning. Circulation in the clouds. Yeah, honey.
Right here is the end of the world as we know it. You just gonna sit out here and video record this?
Yeah, might put her on YouTube.
I'm getting inside. I think that we really need to stay close to the TV and go down to the basement. You know, we really do. We shouldn't be out here video recording. We should. Oh, I hate that lightning. I'm going in. I hate that. I hate it.
Says there's rotation in the clouds.